Juicing is one of my favorite ways to support my body. It's quick but intentional, simple yet deeply nourishing. In this video, I'm sharing 3 of my go-to wellness juices, one for hydration, one for a boost of energy, and one that's deeply grounding, perfect for stressful days or when you need a fresh start. I've been using the Hurom juicers for a while now, and honestly, they're my favorite. I have the H400, which is great for batch juicing, and I also have the H70, which is a bit smaller and perfect for everyday juicing. They're both quiet, which I love because I am very sensitive to noise, and they make nutrient-rich cold-pressed juice that really feels like a treat. If you're thinking of starting a juicing ritual of your own, I'll leave a link to the juicers I use in the description box below. First up is one of my favorite juices for hydration. This is perfect for hot summer days or when you feel a little bloated, maybe you're just feeling dehydrated. This one is perfect for that. For this, we'll need half a cup of coconut water, 1 cucumber, a few mint leaves, and 1 lime. I've noticed how sometimes we don't even realize how long we've been neglecting ourselves, working through the day, not drinking enough water, not taking enough breaks, sleeping way too late, and we just let it keep building up until we can't take it anymore. Checking in with ourselves regularly throughout the day is so important. Taking a moment to intentionally do something that makes you feel good is a simple way of saying to yourself, slow down, I matter, my needs are important. It all goes back to self-love. This juice is so refreshing. It's cooling, it's light, and instantly soothing. This next juice is a nice little pick-me-up, like an energy lift. It's perfect for when you need clarity, focus, or a natural boost without the crash. We'll be using 2 cups of pineapple, 2 cups of spinach, and a small piece of ginger. Are you somebody that regularly checks in with yourself? I think it's so important to be mindful of our energy levels throughout the day and not keep pushing through just to stay productive. In fact, I think it's counterproductive to do that because you're not showing up as your best self when you're tired or mentally drained. And on a personal level, I've realized it's often not pressure from others. It's the pressure I put on myself. So I've started checking in with myself more often, and I'll ask myself simple questions like, where's my energy? What do I need? What will help me feel better in this moment? Asking myself these simple questions helps me tune in with myself and give myself what I need. This juice is so vibrant, it's energizing, and pineapple always gives it that tropical vibe. Perfect before a workout or during an afternoon slump when you want to feel more awake and alive. This one is a grounding juice recipe made with root vegetables, which in Ayurveda are believed to help center the body and calm the mind. So this one is really great for those days when you feel disconnected, scattered, or just a little off. For this recipe, you need 2 beets, 4 carrots, and a small piece of ginger. Juicing can be a grounding practice on its own, if you do it with intention. When you slow down and bring your focus and attention to every step, rinsing, peeling, chopping, noticing all the colors, the sounds, and textures, it becomes a moving meditation, one that invites you back into the present moment. This juice is earthy but slightly sweet, perfect after a long week, a stressful season, or when you just want to feel more centered. If one of these recipes speaks to you, try it sometime this week. You don't need a juice every day to feel the difference. Just begin with one simple juice and go from there. And if you are starting your own juicing journey, I highly recommend investing in a good quality juicer to get the most benefits. I'll have a link to the ones I use in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.